Holy crap, it is finally time, you guys. We are packing up all this stuff and we are sending it out. Yep, we're taking it to the shop, finally doing things. Finally, I know everyone's been waiting for the stuff, but a lot of things have happened. Crashed the Mustang, a lot of delays, this and that, mid-COVID, this, that. We're finally getting to it 7 months later. So let's load it all up. This is headers right here. This would just be like clamps and stuff. Belt, idler, supercharger, blow off valve here, coolant tank, miscellaneous stuff. So we're finally getting there, you guys. Let's load it up. Holy cow, that was an extremely good workout, you guys. But we got the fuel system in here, supercharger in there. You can see a couple OPG type stuff, injectors, more OPG, catch can. Oh no, this is intercooler piping and stuff. We got the intercooler right here. Got the headers underneath that. I think this big old box is the catch can. I forget it. A lot of stuff, you guys. But yeah, here we go. Not too bad. Thank goodness for a SUV, because all this stuff was definitely not going to fit in the Mustang. I mean, it could have fit in the Mustang, but oof. I have to go burn off some gas really quick in the Mustang because they're calling out for a quarter tank of gas, and I just filled this up, so we gotta go burn some gas, you know what I mean? So let's get to it. So they asked for a quarter of tank of gas because they're gonna be filling up E85 and whatnot and tuning your E85, and we got a full tank of gas of 91 in here. Oh my gosh, they're gonna love me for sure. So we gotta burn off a couple things. Obviously this is a good time to go do some errands, to finally do some errands. And yeah, I don't ever go do errands, and today we're gonna do errands. Bright and early today, it's Memorial Weekend. You guys will probably see this like Labor Day weekend. But we are finally gonna get the Mustang boosted, installing all the parts. I know it's almost been a year since I bought all this stuff, and just Minnesota is tough for a car season, right? You only get like 4 or 5 months of actual car stuff, and then it's downtime again. But nonetheless, we are finally getting things going. We'll tell you a little bit more about the shops that we're dealing with right now and whatnot later. But I'm gonna go work today, surprisingly, and then we're gonna drop the stuff off, and then I'll show you guys what shop I'm taking it to. And we're all, you know, friends and family, you know what I mean? I support them all. Everyone's great up here. You can't go wrong with who you go with. I'll say that. This is just gonna be a long informational type video. Nothing too crazy, no racing, no nothing. Unfortunately, I did not get any baselines with this car. Maybe they can do a baseline pull at the shop because they have a dyno there. But no Mexico, no baselines, runs with anything else, unfortunately. But you guys already know how Mustangs do stock. So same exact platform as the black one, just a little heavier because it's got a subwoofer in the back. We have made it to Moe's, yep. So we decided to go with Moe's only because they could fit me in, obviously, and do a couple Mustang type stuff. So we got the Mustang up on the lift, and gonna be putting headers on. So we will basically have an X pipe there, and stock mufflers back here still. So we're still gonna be rocking the stock mufflers, and then we're just gonna cut out the suitcase here, and we got everything laid out here very nicely. They're very organized over here. And then with the vortech and everything set up, nice fuel system there. Yeah, it looks great. So okay, just got done work. Oh my gosh, but we got a couple things to do today. We're not in the Mustang. We're gonna go check on the Mustang's progress after 2 days. 2 days, I know I shouldn't even be going over there, but we're gonna check the progress of the Mustang. I'm only going over there because we gotta go check out David's WRX STI. If you don't know, we ran it. It had some issues. It was hurt after all those runs, so he's got it apart, and we're gonna go take a peek at the Subaru damage. So stay tuned, let's get it. So we are at Moe's, you know, and I know the last Mustang was Bowen built, but this one's gonna be Moe's. Nothing wrong with Bowen or Moe's. It's just whoever can fit you in and whatnot. Like, great respect for Bowen. I would send it back to him again, but like time frame, scheduling, like it's okay, right? We're still local, you know, like I said, and we're still supporting all the local guys. We're all tied together, you know what I mean? So this one's gonna be done by Moe's, and look what I see. I see a Lambo. Oh my goodness, I wonder what it's doing here. So let's go check out the progress of the Mustang, and let's just see what's up. Oh, look what I see. The Mustang is apart. Let me guess. Oh, that's how it looks. Nice, that's so sick. Very nice. So we got the OPGs in, we got the Supercharger bracket. We got the headers in. The headers fit fine. They clear the AC pretty good. So like I said, it's stainless power headers. You guys, it clears. You can't really see it right now, but they fit perfect. Oh yeah. So let's see here. It clears. Yeah, not bad, you guys. So it does clear. Highly recommend them.
Yes.
Definitely. Highly recommend stainless power. Alrighty, you guys. So as you guys know, the stock oil pump gears are very fragile. So that's what they look like. And apparently, if you drop it, it will break. So here we go. Let's drop it. Drop test.
It's still alive.
Oh, they lied. Oh, that sounded like it.
That broke.
So, yep, there it is, you guys. So 3 drops, and it broke. So they are indeed very fragile. So here's the aftermath, you guys. It did break. We dropped it on the concrete floor, you know, about 4 feet up or so, and it did break. So make sure you guys upgrade your oil pump gear. That was pretty fun at Moe's, you know, checking up on the car. You got quite a bit of stuff done, so it's gonna be pretty close to the deadline, you know, like I said. And then now we are gonna go check out David's Subi. So you gotta check out the aftermath to his Subaru. So let's go over to David. Alrighty, you guys, we are here looking at the STI that we just got done running. Unfortunately, it has hurt. So if you guys don't remember, we ran it really hard and it just suddenly died. But yeah, so we got the block out and everything, and yeah, nothing too crazy. Just a typical Subaru in its natural habitat here, you guys. So here's what the heads look like. The heads look pretty good, actually, not too bad. He says it's cracked, you guys. I didn't see this in the block before, but oh, we do have a little doo-doo spot there. Sleeve. Time for a sleeve, you guys. So one wall is cracked. That sounds like a typical Subaru. So this is why you don't run high numbers, high boost levels on stock sleeves. You could get that. That's why a lot of guys go closed deck, you know, to prevent it from splitting on top. Or you could go sleeves, or I don't know. Or you could just send it again. The stock block, it lasted for a while. How many miles do you have on this?
30,000.
30,000 miles.
500
yes.
miles has been beat on since day one.
Yeah. So 30,000 miles, you guys, at almost 40 pounds of boost. That's all it's done. So I would probably throw in a new stock block. Yeah. Pistons, rods, bearings, but stock sleeves, they lasted this long, you guys.